Okay, this is our Bridgeport Milling machine. It's got a 48-inch table, this particular one. We fitted the X-axis, Y-axis and Z-axis power feeds. So there's the vari speed head, and it's got a 4-axis DRO system. So it's got the normal X and Y, plus it's got a scale on the knee, being the Z, and it's got a scale on the quill, so giving 4 axes. And they'll sum together as well, so the knee and the quill sum together. So if I zero out here, I go down on the quill, you see the hole's got deepness of 53 millimeters, and I go up on the knee, you see the hole's getting deeper again. So they'll sum together. As I reduce, it gets lower, and the same, I reduce the depth of the hole on the quill, it gets shallower. Okay, so they're all summing together nicely. So we're just going to run through the machine and just show you everything working. It's had a full stripped down surface, everything's been done to it, all new lead screws. It's even had the column reground as well as the X and the Y axes. The table's also been done, the tops of the table on 2 sides. It is damn near unmarked, the table, it's absolutely beautiful. Okay, so running through. Safety handles, of course, on the X, wherever the power feeds are, it's got safety handles. So that is uber smooth, all the way across, everything's new. Same with the Y, push in to turn, lovely and smooth all the way. And with the knee too, so you engage on the castellated nuts. So you can engage right hand, or you can use the power feed, whichever you want. There's locks here for the Y-axis, the X-axis here, and the knee down the bottom there, all serviced and working. The lube system around the back here, that's all serviced. There's all sorts of new pipes and valves in it. You'll see that the pipes are absolutely clear. You can see the oil going through. So give that a pump once every sort of 8 hours of use, and it'll keep the machine in good condition. Also, keep putting 68 lube in here and here, so it's all 68 lube oil is fine for this machine. Okay, so now moving on, I'll get all the power feeds running together so you can see that they do all run together. So the X, the Y, and the Z. See them all running on the DRO there. Speed, and they all have rapid override as well. So you can see that's all running great. So we're going to move on now to the variable speed head and the quill. Okay, so firing up on the head, we're running around 1400 RPM at the moment, and we're in high range. Okay, so that's all running nice and fine. So I engage the quill feed. So you should be able to see it moving on the DRO system over there. You should also be able to see the handle going around. So for every spindle speed we've got 3 different feed rates. So when it's at the vertical it's the highest. And it'll trip out automatically when it hits the stop there. There we go, it's all working fine. I'll just reverse this feed as well, just to show you working. So just by pulling this knob out, engage it again. So it feeds up just fine as well. Just reverse it. Just always takes a little bit of fiddling to get in the knob. It's quite normal. Okay, so reverse is just fine. So I'll go up and down the spindle speed range now. So that's 3000 RPM. It's far too fast for Bridgeport, in my opinion. 2.2. Probably about acceptable. And then all the way back down to about 500 RPM. Now in reverse, just as quiet as in reverse. All the way up to 3000. Back down to 22. And then back down to about 500 RPM. Okay, so that's around 900 now. 900 to 1000 RPM. So you can hear it's running absolutely perfectly. I'm only hitting the brake just to show you it does work. Obviously it's only there for just when you take the drawbar out, it's not there for normal braking operation. Right, so changing now from high to low. I just move the quill handle out of the way because it's quite often just at the wrong angle. So I push the handle in, turn it round, turn the spindle a bit, make sure it's locked in before we fire up, and there's low range. All the way to the top and low. All the way to the bottom and low. It's about 70-80 RPM. In reverse as well, it's just as quiet. Running absolutely perfect. I'm going to change back to high range again, but before I do that I'm going to go to neutral. So push the handle in, move it round to the neutral position, and the spindle will freewheel in the neutral position so you can clock up any PCDs or whatever you need to do. So put the handle in again, get it to lock into high range. Make sure it's locked in, it's properly in there before you fire up. And again, it fires back into high range just fine. Braking just to show you working. Right, so the only thing we need to do, we're just waiting for the guard to come in. The guard is an interlock guard, that will be fitting before it goes out. But I just wanted to show you the machine at this point, say it's damn near finished apart from the guard, everything working perfectly. Thanks a lot for watching.